Marketing is an essential aspect of any business, but developing a comprehensive marketing plan can seem overwhelming and time-consuming. That's where Allan Dib's book, The One-Page Marketing Plan, comes in. This book offers a step-by-step framework that simplifies the marketing planning process and helps businesses develop a customized strategy to attract new customers and drive growth. The book emphasizes the importance of direct response marketing, which focuses on creating compelling marketing messages that prompt customers to take immediate action. This approach is not only affordable but also effective and scalable, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. The book is suitable for both novice and experienced marketers, as it covers everything from identifying your target audience to developing a unique selling proposition and crafting a marketing message. Moreover, the one-page format of the marketing plan enables businesses to create a concise, actionable plan that is easy to implement. In summary, the one-page marketing plan is an excellent resource for any business looking to grow its customer base and boost sales. By following the step-by-step framework outlined in the book, businesses can develop a marketing strategy that resonates with their target audience, drives results, and ensures long-term success. Idea 1. The importance of understanding your target audience in marketing. Marketing is an essential aspect of any business, but its effectiveness depends on understanding the target audience. Without a clear understanding of your ideal customer, your marketing efforts may prove futile and your business's future may be at risk. In this article, we discuss the importance of understanding your target audience and offer tips on crafting a compelling message that resonates with them. The first step in creating an effective marketing strategy is identifying your target audience. Niche down and focus on a specific subcategory within your market. By doing so, you can tailor your message and offerings to the specific needs of your ideal customer. This allows you to communicate more effectively with them, increasing the likelihood of converting them into loyal customers. Once you have identified your target audience, the next step is crafting a compelling message that resonates with them. Infusing personality into your marketing can help you stand out from your competition, but you must first understand what your target market craves. Conduct market research and surveys to learn what motivates your ideal customer and create a unique selling proposition, USP, that addresses their needs. Use persuasive language and emotional triggers to attract the right customers and keep your message clear and concise. In conclusion, understanding your target audience is critical to the success of your marketing efforts. By niching down and crafting a compelling message that resonates with your ideal customer, you can increase the effectiveness of your marketing and improve your business's chances of success. In the next section of this series, we will discuss how to reach out to your prospects through various advertising media. Idea 2. Maximizing your business growth with CAC and LTV. To thrive in business, you must focus on maximizing your return on investment, ROI, through steady, measured effort rather than hoping for success. To achieve this, you need to track two crucial metrics: customer acquisition cost, CAC, and lifetime value, LTV. CAC is the total cost of acquiring a new customer, while LTV is the total amount a customer is predicted to spend on your business throughout their lifetime. To calculate LTV, multiply the average customer purchase value by the average purchase lifespan. By placing recurring offers at the front end of your sales process and focusing on building a loyal customer base, you can increase your ROI by winning profits from repeat business. Focusing on a specific niche and utilizing email marketing can save you money while yielding excellent results. Building a responsive subscriber list by delivering value in your emails and making connections with your audience through social media can help you build a solid fan base, generate leads, and increase sales. When filling in the third space on your one-page marketing plan, consider what media you will use to reach your audience and diversify your lead sources to protect your business from unexpected changes. By optimizing your advertising budget and cutting ads that aren't working, you can see a positive return on investment and achieve business growth. Idea 3. Nurturing your leads. Generating leads is an important part of any business, but it's not enough to simply collect names and numbers. To build a loyal customer base, you must show your prospects respect and cultivate relationships. This is where customer relationship management, CRM, comes in. A CRM system allows you to store client information and preferences, enabling you to tailor your marketing strategy accordingly. It also helps you organize and manage your leads, keeping you sane in the process. For example, a real estate company can capture potential homebuyers' details after a virtual property tour and use a CRM system to send regular updates, new listings, and newsletters to keep them engaged and form a relationship. However, it's not enough to simply collect leads and leave them unattended. You must care for them like a pro by delivering valuable information and engaging resources related to client interests. To make this happen, use a marketing calendar to plan and complete marketing tasks daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually. This will help you reap a bountiful harvest of leads and sales. In summary, nurturing your leads is crucial to building a loyal customer base. By using a CRM system and a marketing calendar, you can capture and care for your leads like a pro, resulting in a steady stream of potential customers who will remember your company when the time comes to buy. Idea 4. How to convert leads into paying customers. In the world of sales, the key to success lies in building trust with your potential customers and demonstrating the value of your product or service. To do this effectively, you must position yourself as an expert in your niche and educate your leads on what sets you apart. This means focusing on value, not just price. Delaying the sale can be a powerful technique for breaking down buying resistance and building trust with your prospects. By providing a guarantee and addressing any concerns they may have, you show your commitment to their satisfaction. However, you should also be careful not to overwhelm your prospects with too many options. By establishing yourself as an expert and delivering a credible level of service, you can command premium prices and attract customers who value quality over discount rates. Remember that price is an indicator, and by offering high-ticket items, you can position yourself as a leader in your field. Make sure to offer convenient payment options to make the buying process as easy as possible. In conclusion, the key to converting leads into paying customers is to build trust by demonstrating value and expertise. Educate your leads, provide a guarantee, and make their options clear. With the right approach, you can establish yourself as a premium provider and attract customers willing to pay for the best. Idea 5. Converting customers into loyal fans. Converting customers into loyal fans is the ultimate goal of any business. This requires a systematic approach to marketing, sales, fulfillment, and administration systems to reduce friction and improve customer satisfaction. By streamlining technological processes, businesses can increase sales while making customers happier. To reactivate old customers, businesses can entice them to return via direct mail, email, or SMS. Sending personalized offers to old leads can be an effective strategy. For example, a personalized email with a subject line like, "We miss you. Come back for 15% off your next order," can be a powerful incentive for customers to return. Businesses can also increase lifetime value through referrals. Requesting referrals from satisfied customers can be a straightforward and effective way to bring in new business. By asking for feedback and finding ways to help other businesses in their network, businesses can build strong relationships with their customers and increase their revenue. To track the effectiveness of their marketing efforts, businesses must measure key metrics like the number of leads, conversion rates, and average order value. This ongoing process allows businesses to fine-tune their marketing strategies and focus on the customers that are most valuable to them. Small businesses have an advantage in that they can closely oversee and respond to client needs and feedback. By adopting a customer-centric approach, businesses can build strong relationships with their customers and turn them into loyal fans. Summary: direct response marketing is a powerful strategy for generating leads and converting them into paying customers. The key to success in this approach is to develop a routine that emphasizes consistency and value delivery. By embracing technology and staying ahead of the competition, you can establish a strong customer base and drive business growth. The first step in direct response marketing is to identify what your customers need and offer solutions that meet their demands. By understanding your target audience, you can develop messaging that resonates with their pain points and motivates them to take action. This requires ongoing research and analysis, as customer needs can change over time. Once you have developed messaging that resonates with your target audience, the next step is to embrace technology to stay ahead of the competition. This includes utilizing data analytics to track and measure the effectiveness of your campaigns, as well as leveraging social media and other digital channels to reach your target audience. To succeed in direct response marketing, it's also important to develop a routine and commit to it. This involves creating a schedule for outreach and follow-up, as well as setting targets and benchmarks for key performance indicators like conversion rates and customer lifetime value. By following a consistent routine, you can create a sense of predictability and reliability that resonates with your target audience. Finally, the key to attracting and retaining customers is delivering value consistently. This means providing high-quality products and services that meet or exceed customer expectations, as well as offering exceptional customer service and support. By staying proactive and responsive to customer needs, you can create a solid customer base that will help drive business growth. In conclusion, direct response marketing is a powerful strategy for generating leads and converting them into paying customers. By developing a routine that emphasizes consistency and value delivery, embracing technology, and staying proactive and responsive to customer needs, you can establish a strong customer base and drive business growth. Now, thank you for taking the time to watch, and if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And in case you want to buy the book, use the link in the description. Trust me, you won't regret it.